Hi guys, I hope you're having a good day. Here is another exciting video for you. I have been taking care of elderly patients for a long time now. I've been a doctor since 2005 and I've seen many patients over the years. 19 years na! Tigwangan na ako eh. Well, for those patients who are 70 years old and above, I always ask this question. What is your secret po? Bakit kayo umabot ng ganitong edad? And the most common answers are number one, prayers. Number two, less meat, more veggies, more fish in the diet. Number three, always moving, always keeping oneself busy with chores or exercises. So, join me. Let's explore the 8 secrets to a long life according to my patients. Hi, I'm Doc A, and you're watching Doc A TV. Number one, prayers. Prayers are very powerful. This is at the top of the list, maybe because we're largely a Christian and Muslim country. But I'm seeing nowadays that the young doesn't concern themselves much with prayers. Well, that's too bad. As parents, or if you're a parent, we should pass down the tradition to our children. Prayers can reduce stress. We can use this tool to cause a positive impact in our mental health. A prayerful person may develop a more optimistic and hopeful outlook in life. Lastly, prayers can encourage healthy habits like meditation and mindfulness. Plus, it can foster a sense of community and belongingness, like prayer meetings or dawn rosaries. Number two, the right diet. According to my patients, they eat less meat, but if they do, it's more on fish, and they eat a lot of vegetables. I know not many people are happy about that, especially the young generations. But hey, it's a no brainer. There are a lot of nutrients from these food groups compared to the highly processed foods that are available nowadays. Number three, movement. My patients mentioned yoga, tai chi, gardening, farming, or household chores, and more. Kana bang di mahimutang or hindi mapakali. Constant movement can decrease the risk of heart disease and stroke. It can also enhance mental health by reducing stress and anxiety. It can boost memory, attention, and problem solving skills. Exercise, as we know, can burn calories, thereby maintaining a healthy weight. Lastly, it can preserve muscle mass and increase bone density for healthy aging. So, galaw-galaw naman dyan pag may time. Number four, no smoking. It's common knowledge that smoking increases the risk to many health problems like lung cancer, other lung problems, and heart disease. But sometimes we fail to see that the other problem is addiction. It's actually a mental health issue. For patients who cannot quit smoking, don't be sad. I hear you and I feel you. You may chat me and I will refer you to a professional who can help you with your problem. I know that it's not just turning off a switch. Although I know a lot of patients who just turn off their switch and just like that, they quit smoking. But it's also uncovering deep emotional issues and attachments and understanding why the addiction started in the first place. So, I'm just a chat away. Number five, eating on time. This habit equates to discipline. Actually, disiplina lang naman ang kailangan natin in order to be successful in anything, and that includes health. Eating on time will harmonize our body's internal system, ensuring that the body will efficiently process nutrients for energy and repair. Irregular eating patterns can put the body into a state of stress, releasing cortisol, which is the stress hormone. Chronic stress can lead to inflammation, which is linked to aging and various diseases. Number six, vitamins. Vitamins are widely available in the market. They are important for longevity because they prevent chronic diseases, they support cellular repair, and of course, they boost our immune system. So, a patient asked me about taking herbal medicine as maintenance. So, here is my comment on that. If you're the ones preparing the plant, like ikaw talaga yung kukuha ng dahon, tapos pinakuluan ng tubig, and then inumin, well, I'm okay with that. Number 7, cleanliness. Clean environments promote a sense of calm and organization, reducing stress and anxiety. Clean and cluttered spaces improves the quality of sleep and concentration, both crucial for long-term health. And lastly, clean environment prevents infections and diseases. Number 8, last on the list is be nice. Yes, you, be nice. Being nice promotes the release of endorphins, which are the feel good hormones, reducing anxiety, depression, while maintaining a sense of emotional well being. Random acts of kindness and maintaining positive relationships will decrease cortisol, which is the stress hormone, which is linked to aging and many diseases. So, pag may kaaway, ano lang, nonchalant para hindi ma-stress, di ba? All right. I hope you have absorbed everything. If not, you may play this video again and again. As for me, I want to reach 100 years old or more because there is so much to see in the world. Okay? Bye for now.